Looking for the best digital film scanner in 2026, you have two main paths: professional grade or user-friendly. For archival quality, the Epson Perfection V600 is a top-rated flatbed offering excellent resolution and dust removal. For maximum detail from 35mm film, dedicated scanners like the Plustek Optic Film 8100 or 8200i are unbeatable. If you want simplicity for casual home use, standalone options like the Kodak SCANZA or the new HP FilmScan 7 feature large screens and direct SD card saving, making digitizing old family photos a breeze. Starting at number 1, Kodak Slide N-Scan Scanner. The Kodak Slide N-Scan Film and Slide Scanner is a dedicated digitizing device designed to effortlessly convert old film negatives and slides into modern digital files, featuring a large 5-inch LCD screen for instant previewing and editing. This easy-to-use scanner allows you to view, edit, and convert color and black and white negatives, as well as 50mm slides, in formats including 135, 126, and 110, preserving cherished memories in high-resolution 22MP JPEG photos with the simple press of a button. It simplifies the digitization process with convenient easy-load film inserts and quick-feeding tray technology, enabling continuous scanning without the hassle of constantly repositioning film. The scanner features one-touch editing capabilities, allowing users to adjust color, brightness, and even assign dates, all viewable on the crystal-clear 5-inch display, which can also double as an elegant digital photo frame. Powered via USB and compatible with SD SDHC cards up to 32GB, card not included. Number 2. Kodak SCANZA Digital Scanner. The Kodak SCANZA Digital Film and Slide Scanner is a dedicated device designed to help users easily convert cherished old film negatives and slides into modern digital JPEG files. Featuring a 3.5-inch tilt-up color LCD screen for previewing and adjusting images. This versatile scanner comes with multiple easy-load inserts and adapter trays, making it compatible with a variety of formats including 35mm, 126, 110, Super 8, and 8mm film. With a simple one-touch button interface, users can select between 14mm native and 22mm interpolated resolution, adjust brightness and color, and save images directly to a computer with no software required, or to a micro SD card. It includes a comprehensive kit with AC and USB power options. Number 3. Kodak Slide N-Scan Max. The Kodak Slide N-Scan Max Digital Film Slide Scanner, model RODFS70, is a dedicated device designed to easily convert cherished old film negatives and slides into modern digital files. Featuring a large, crystal-clear 7-inch tilt-up LCD screen for comfortable previewing, editing, and even functioning as an elegant digital photo frame with its gallery mode. This user-friendly scanner, finished in black with yellow accents, allows you to view, edit, and convert color and black and white negatives and 50mm slides in formats including 135, 110, and 126, saving them as high-resolution 22MP JPEG images directly to an SD or SDHC card, not included, with the simple press of a button. It streamlines the digitization process with convenient. Number 4. Magnasonic All-in-One 24MP Film Scanner. The Magnasonic All-in-One 24mm film scanner, model FS71, is a dedicated device engineered to effortlessly preserve cherished memories by converting 35mm, 126, 110, and Super 8 film negatives, as well as 135, 126, and 110 slides, into high-resolution 24MP digital JPEG files. It features a large 5-inch LCD screen that allows for comfortable previewing and editing, and it can also be connected to a TV or monitor via an HDMI cable, not included, for shared viewing sessions with family and friends. Designed for user-friendly standalone operation, this scanner requires no computer, offering on-device controls for adjusting brightness and RGB color correction, while its fast-loading film trays enable quick scanning in under 5 seconds per image. The device boasts 128 memories of built-in memory for storing up to 50 images and includes an SD card slot compatible with cards up to 128GB, not included, providing ample space to digitize a lifetime of photos. While users praise its ease of use, quick operation, and superior detail capture compared to some competing models, common feedback notes that the film adapters can sometimes be finicky. Number 5. Eyesen Digital Film Scanner. This eyesen digital film scanner is a dedicated device designed to help users easily convert old film negatives and slides into modern digital files, featuring a large 5-inch LCD screen for instant previewing and editing of converted images. This versatile scanner supports both color and black and white negatives and slides in popular formats including 35mm, 126, and 110 film, as well as Super 8 slides, transforming them into high-resolution 22mm JPEG digital photos. It is designed for user-friendly, standalone operation without the need for a computer, offering one-touch editing to adjust color and brightness directly on the device and saving images to internal memory or an SD card. Additional features often include HDMI output for viewing scans on a TV, a quick feed tray for continuous scanning, and bundled accessories like cleaning brushes and various film adapters, making it a comprehensive solution for preserving photographic memories.